there is completing series the question. Complete the series 4, 6, 12, 14, 28, 30, 60. So what come next? We have to complete this series. What come next?
What after 14?
4, 6, 12, 14, 28, 30, 60, and next number we have to find out.
Okay.
Look the pattern. If you see here 4, then come 6, it means plus 2 is there. Then for
Yeah.
12, 14, plus 2 is here. Again 28 and 30, plus 2 is here. So we can say 60 plus 2, the result will be 62. Now
Yeah.
here is multiply 2. 6 2 ja 12, 14 2 ja 28, 32 ja 60. So there is two pattern is following in this series. So next number will be what? Next number will be according to this series. Easily you can identify 62 is the answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Next number series is come to next number series. Next number series is 62, 65, 70, 77, 86, and then question mark.
The next number would be 97.
97, correct. So this pattern is
It's basically then that is 3. Then that one is 5. The next one is 7. The next one is 9. So the next one must be 11.
yes. So 97 is the answer. Okay. Next question is find odd one out. Find odd one out. Odd one means there is not matching with the pattern. So which is not matching in the given pattern? 58, 55, 52, 48, 46, 43.
think it's a 48.
Yes, but can you explain?
So basically, if you see, you have to minus, so 58 to 55 is only minus 3,
Yes,
and then 55 to 52 is minus 3.
correct.
So that means the pattern will continue.
Yes,
And
then
that will be 49, not 48.
yes, other.
And that will also be minus 3 then, and that was also minus 3.
So yes, this 48 is not matching with this series. Correct. Next, come to question 4. There is a table given in table 3 by 3 table given, and there is some certain number filled in the table is given 6, 42, 9, 65, 4, 7, 80 question mark.
I think it might be singular digit because if you see on both sides it's singular, but just the middle one is not singular.
Yes, singular digit is there, but what number can you guess? Look, there is 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 5 is 40. Then 9 and 4, it makes 13. 13 5 is 65. Now look, there are
Oh,
there are certain rule. So here we add the both outer number and multiply by 5, we get the middle number. So we have to.
yeah.
So what number comes here in that case?
So you basically have to do 80 divided by 7.
80, not 80. 5 divide 80. 80 divide 5.
Oh yeah, 5 divided by 80.
16. So 16, that means 7 is already here. 16 minus 7 is 9.
Yeah.
So 9 will come. In the related with the same pattern, one more problem is there. Again 3 by 3 table is there, and the rule may be different. We have to identify. So 8 6 9, 4 2 6, 2 1 3. Then one column also, one row also there. 42, 27 question mark. Yes. Anyway.
I figured out the pattern. So basically, you have to first add 8 plus 4 plus 2, which then equals 14. So 14 times what equals 42, which 14 times 3 equals 42.
Yes, 14 times 3 is 42.
Then
Similarly,
if you do 6 plus 2 plus 1, that equals 9. So 9 times what equals 27, that is 3. 3.
correct.
So that means we have to add 9 plus 6 plus 3, so 18. So 18 times 3 equals 54.
Correct. Come to question number 5. Which will complete the given series. So we have to find out next number which comes next. Series is 11, 17, 15, 13, 19, question mark 23. Now can you have idea in this problem?
And
Plus
I
6.
can see there's a plus 6 minus 2 minus 2 plus 6 something and something.
So there is minus 2 then plus 6.
Yeah, that will also be plus 6.
So 17 plus 6 is 23 and 19 minus 2 is 17. So correct answer is 17 here.
Yeah.
Come to question number 6. So which number comes in the given series? Series is 65, 57, 50, 50, 44, question mark 35. Yes, have a idea? Any idea?
I can see there's a pattern of minusing 1. So first minus 8, then minus 7, then minus 6. But then it's just confusing because there's a 5 at the end.
Okay.
And the last
What
digit
is first minus?
minus 8.
minus 8. Okay. Then second,
minus 7,
minus 7. Next,
minus 6.
next,
It would be minus 5.
correct. So minus 5 we subtract, it become 39. Then next is minus 4. So it gives 35.
Oh yeah.
So next question is find the wrong number. That means odd one out. Which one is odd one out? Wrong one. So can you guess here? Now look, 7 multiply 2 plus 1, 15. 7 to the 14 plus 1. 15 multiply 2 plus
I
2.
think it is a 7.
This is 7. So 7 double of 7 then plus 1.
Mm.
Similarly here is 67 to the, it is 134 plus 6.
Yeah.
And here is
It's 140 times 2.
here is 1, 15 to the 30. So double plus 1, then double plus 2, then double plus 3. So 32 double is 64. So 64 plus 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. There is continuously adding the number. And 64, 7 double is 134. Then plus 4. So it becomes 138. So 138 should be there instead of 140. Then 138 double is 276 plus 5. 276 plus 5 is 281. So this one is wrong. Odd one out is 140. This was multiplying addition, both combined is there. Next one is 5, 6, 1996, 673. Then what comes next? So here is again multiply and addition problem. 5 multiply 1 plus 1, it becomes 6. 5 1 ja 5 plus 1. Now it is 6 multiply 3. Next there is multiply of odd number 1, then 3, then 18 plus 1, addition 1. Next multiply is 5. 19 5 ja 95 plus 1. So 96 is there. Next is 96 7 ja plus 1. So 96 7 ja we find out. 6 7 ja 42, 4 carry. So 7 9 ja 63 plus 4 67. 672 plus 1 673. So next time it will multiply by 9. So 673 9 ja, then plus 1. So 9 3 ja 27, 2 carry. 9 7 ja 63 plus 2 65, 6 carry. 54 plus 6 60.
Yeah, 60.
So it is 6058.
Yeah.
6058 should be final answer. Though this problem was time taking problem, if you have trying yourself. Next problem. What comes next? 16, 20, 27, 37, 50, question mark. Guess what comes? Any idea?
Um,
Yes.
is it 66?
66. So, okay, now what is the difference here?
4?
4. Now what is the difference here?
7?
Next difference is
10
next difference is
is 13. If
Thir-
you could see each of them, so if you see,
yes.
yeah, so 4 plus that, yeah, so 66.
Yes, the difference of increasing 3 in each difference successively is there. Last one we are coming on alphabets after numbering. So next we have to find out series with letters. So there is series given in alphabets EXL Three alphabet series is given: GVN, then ITP, then KRP, KRR. Then next we have to identify. There is K. So what comes in the question mark? There are three series. First letter series E, F is missing, G, then after G is H missing,
H
I,
is missing.
next after I J is missing, K.
K.
So next will come L will missing,
M.
M. Next letter is reverse. So Z, Y, X,
Yeah.
W, V. So W is missing, V.
Yeah.
Then
U is missing.
U is missing, then T. Then
S is missing.
S is missing, R. Next is Q is missing.
Then
So
is
P.
P.
P. P will
So
come.
it's B. MPT.
Yes. In the last we can say, if we identify, so last one is after L, M is missing, N, and N, O is missing, P. O is missing, P. Next one is Q is missing, R. Then after R, S is missing, T. M, P, T. B option is correct. So we have done our these 10 exciting series problems. Now come to our homework. There was 3 mistake in your homework. And what was the 3? Which one the 3 question? So come to question number. There are 3 questions. Question number 32, 35, and 40. These 3 questions of first worksheet is mistake. There is mistake. So first conclude. First we can say question number 32. While in question 32 there is given question. While writing
Oh, I realized the 35 mistake.
okay, in 32, while writing the answer of the question, while writing the answer of question given to Jeba, given to Jeba in homework, in homework she she made a mistake in writing one of the answer, in writing one of the answer. In simplest form. In simplest form. So pick the answer she wrote incorrectly. So there are 4 options. pick the answers. There are 4 options. C is 9 over 17, D is 4 over 5, A is 3 over 15, B is 16 over 31, C is 9 over 17, D is 4 over 5. So according to you, what is the answer?
C.
But the correct answer, the question was on simplifying. Simplifying, it means simplest form. Simplest form is first one, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. So 1 over 5 in option A should be given. See, 17 is prime number, 9 is not cancelling 17, and they will also not cancelling. This is the final, and 4 over 5 is also simplified form. So simplest form is our here main keyword that gives us the clue before behind the answer. So 1 over 5 is the final answer, because 1 over 5 is the simplest form of 3 over 15. 3 over 15 is not simplest form. 3 over 15 is cancelling by 5 3. That's why A option according to Jeba is wrong, because in simplest form type question we always in the last we check is it any cancelling by any number. So we have done 32. Come to next.
I know it is 135. Because I said 9, 6, but I realized that 9 and 12.
So if you so can you say correct answer of 35 question number? Given that P plus,
Is it?
what is correct answer? If you are giving,
Is it 9?
okay, according to you, and
I
now
thought it was going to be 6 because 6 plus 3 equals 9, and 9 times 9 is 81, and 9 times 12 is 108.
okay,
That's what I thought.
okay. So
That's why I did 6.
there are the problem is related with HCF, highest common factor. Highest common factor. This question is highest common factor related question. Highest common factor means HCF. Short form is HCF. Highest common factor. So what is highest common factor of 81 and 108? First we divide individually by prime number. So 81 divided by prime number 27 time, 27 divided by prime number 3 9 time, 9 divided by 3 3 time, 3 divided 3 1 time. So this is the prime factor, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 81. Now to 108 we divide smallest prime number by 2, 54 time, again 54 divided by 2, 27 time. Now 27 is divisible by 3, so 9 time. Prime number we use here to divide. So after getting the prime factor, we see in the both factor both prime factor the common is 3. Then again next 3 is common, next 3 is also common. So 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, it gives us 27. So maximum highest common factor is 27. So this is highest common factor. Highest common factor is, yes, 27 3 ja 81, 27 4 ja 108. 9 is not highest, 6 is not high.
It's
High.
Oh yeah, so 24 would be
Yes,
it.
24 we here
3
we replace with P 24, so that it become 27, 24 plus 3. So that's why 27 we have to make it. Otherwise highest common factor is not the 9, not 6. These are not highest. Highest is 27. So P is here 24. And last 40, question number 40. Identify the sum of the number that is multiple of 7 as well as factor of 42. identify the sum of the number that are multiples of 7 as well as factors of 42. So in this question, identify the sum of the numbers that are multiple of 7 as well as factors of 42. So first we find the factors of 42. Can you say factors of 42?
Oh,
Factors of 42, that means 1, then 2 divides, then 3 also divide 42. Now
so that means
6,
it is
6 is also dividing 42.
1, 2, 3,
6,
6,
7,
7, 14, 21, and 42.
yes. So, and 7 is there given, multiple of 7. So, among so again here the 7, the question is find, identify the sum of the number that are multiple of 7. So 7 is here, and we have to identify multiple of 7 and factor of 7 as well as factor of 7. So of factor of 42. So factor of 42 and multiple of 7 is, first number is 7, next number is 14, next number is 21, next number is 42.
That's 42.
So we have to find out the sum of 7, 14, 21 and 42. So question is saying the multiple of 7 as well as factor of 42. So these are the four numbers that is multiple of 7 as well as factor of 42. So question is asking find the sum of these numbers. So we can find out the sum. So that means we can write in the column method and we find the sum. Sum means total. So right from right side we start 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 12 plus 2 14 and 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8. So 84 is the correct answer.
That is, I'm thinking that's what I got.
In the answer you got,
Yeah, I got 84.
but you write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus. So you write how many number? The number should be 1 2 3 4. Okay, okay, yes, you write in the last step 7 plus 14 21 42. Correct. I see in the column all the number 1 2 3 6 7 14 21 40. That's why I have some doubts. Last line you write these four numbers you should write and you write all the number.
Okay.
Next I'm sending you. So I have sent time to tell time that riddle you will mark as hands, hours hands and minutes, and in the there are seven clocks. So according to,
Do I do this for homework?
yes, you can do by writing, by completing it with drawing and next come to our come to HCF, and because HCF you are taking time. Highest common factor related problems. First one is 2842. 2842. Find HCF. HCF means highest common factor of 28 and 42. So first we write in separate 28 and 42 we write. So this is called prime factors. We are doing prime factors of 28 and we are doing prime factors of 42. So prime factors of 28, how we find out? So 28, the prime number are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So these numbers are we are used here for divide. So it will divide by 2 14 times. Now 14 is not divided by 2 as well as 3 as well as 5. Now it is divisible by 7. So 7 2 divides. So this is the prime numbers. So 2 2 7. This is the 28 equal to. Now come to 42. It is divisible by 2. So how many times we can divide it? In the rough work we get 21. Now 21 is divisible by 3 7 times, and 7 divides 7 one time. Now after finding these prime numbers, these are called prime factors. So now we compare. 2 is common in both the factors, and 7 is also. So HCF means 2 multiply 7. This is the common highest common factor is 2 multiply 7. That means 14. So 14 is the largest number that divides 28 as well as 42. So this 14 divides 28 4 times, 2 times, and 42 divides 3 times. So 14 is the highest common factor, HCF. So there are different numbers in this work. So next number, you can ask anyone. We can do 1-2 problems here. So rest of questions you can do as homework. Suppose we are doing H part. H part is 32, 120 and 64. Find HCF of 32, 120 and 64. So in this problem again we are making 3 prime factors, 3 different numbers. So we are dividing 3 different. So first 32 divides by 2 16 times. 16 divided by 2 8 times. 8 divided by 2 4 times. 4 divided by 2 2 times. So this is the prime factors of 32. Now 120 divides by 2 60 times. 60 divides by 2 30 times. 30 divides by 2 15 times, and it will divisible by now 5 times. Now it is divisible by 5 one time. Come to 64. 32 times it divides. Now 2 again 16 times it divides. Now 2 8 times it divides. Now 4 times it divides. Now 2 times it divides, and 2 one time. Now we see in all 3 what are common. So we see
you can see 2,
yes, again 2,
2,
yes,
10,
yes, again 2, then
and that's pretty much it.
okay. So only 2 2 2 these 3 2 we multiply and we get 8. 8 is the HCF of these 3 numbers. In this way we have to solve all these problems. There are 12 problems is there total in numbers. And question 2.
So I don't have to do A and H.
Yes, we have done A and H. Anyone you can ask one more problem.
I.
Okay, I. So our problem I is their number is 70, 105 and 35. So first we write 470, then 105, then 35. So we separate right in the HCF. Now it first 70 divides by 2 because it is even number 35 times. Now 5 divides 35 7 times. Now 7 is also prime number, so 7 divides 7 only.
5.
Yes. Now 105.
5 is divided by 2.
It is not divisible by 2 because it is odd number.
So 5?
Yes, we can divide by 5, but it is still divisible by 3 because 1 plus 5 is 6. So we divide smallest prime number first. So 3 3 are 9 and then 5, 35. Now it is divisible by 5. 7 times 7 is prime number. So 7 divides 7.
1.
Yes, now 35 is there. So 35 is divisible by 5 7 times. 7 is divide 7 one time. So
we know that 5 and 7 are the common
yes, in 5 and 7 in all three prime factors is available. So 5 into 7 is 35 is our answer of HCF. HCF of 70, 105 and 35 is 35. So in this way you can find out. The word problem is also saying find the greatest number. Greatest means highest common factor. Highest common factor means HCF. So word problem is also saying you in the words find the greatest common factor. Greatest common factor, that means HCF. So question number 2, there is number 108, 144 and 216. Three numbers is given. So find the greatest common factor, that means HCF. We have to find out greatest common factor, greatest common number that is divide without leaving any remainder. So you can find out HCF of these three numbers. So first we divide by 2 54 times, again divide by 2 27 times. Now 27 divides by 3 9 times, 9 divided by 3 3 times, 3 divides 3 one time. After finding the factor of 108, next we come to 144. It divides 72 times. 72 divides by 2 36 times. 36 divided by 2 18 times. Next 18 divides by 2 9 times. 9 is divisible by 3 times, and 3 then one time. Come to 216. Again divide by 2 108 times. Again divide by 2 54 times. Divide by 2 27 times. Divide by 3 9 times. Divide by 3 3 times, and divide by 3 one times. Now come to common factors. Common in first is 2, then again 2 is available in all three. Then next 2 is not available now. 3 is available in all three. So we 3, then again 3.
Then again 3. And that's it.
That's it. So 2 multiply 2.
So 2, 2, 3, 3.
Yes. So 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. That means 2 3 3 is 9 18 36. 36 is the HCF, highest common factor or greatest number that divide these three numbers without any remainder. Now if the remainder is there, then how we solve the problem, there is also considering. So I am giving you solution of okay. Now with remainder there is problem that I am sending you. I have sent you the problems. So look example 2. Find the greatest number that divides 149 and 101, leaving remainder 5. The question is find the greatest number find the greatest number that divides 149, that divides 149 and 101, leaving remainder leaving 5 as remainder, leaving 5 as remainder. So in this problem, first there is two number 149, because it is leaving remainder 5, so we subtract 5 from 149, it gives just 144. Similarly, second number is 101, so it gives the remainder 5, so it gives, we subtract 5 from 101, it gives us 96. So we get two numbers 144 and 96, and we find the greatest number, that means HCF of 144 and 96. So same method we use to find the HCF, that is called prime factorization method. This method is called prime factorization method. So here we divide by smallest prime number 2, 72 times. It divides 2 again 36 times. Again it divides by 2, 18 times. Again it divides by 2, 9 times. Now it is divisible by 3, 3 times. And now again it is divisible by 3, 1 time.
So 1.
Yes, now come to 96, second number.
So 2.
Yes, 2, 48 times. Again 2.
Then also is 2.
Yes, 24 times.
Also 2.
Yes, also 2, 12 times.
So also 2.
Yes, 6 times.
That's also 2.
Yes, 3 times.
Then
Now 3.
So
Yes.
1.
Finally we get 1.
So
Now
2, 2, 2.
yes, we circle in the common. 3 2 is the 4 2 is there.
And one more 2.
4 2 is there. Yes. Then
And then 1, 3.
1 3. So 4 2. So there is, the answer is 4 2.
So that means 32.
So 4 2 ja 2 2 ja 4 8 16 16 3 ja 48. 48 is the greatest number that divides and leaving the remainder 5. We can check the answer. We can check the answer because 48 divides 149. So 48, it will divide how many times? So 48 2 ja 96, 48 3 ja 48 3 ja 144. So subtract, we remainder get 5. Next 101, we divide by 44 again. 101 we divide by 48. So 48 2 ja 96. So subtract from 101 96, we get 5. So question is saying after divide by the greatest number, we have to obtain the remainder 5. So in the both case we are getting remainder 5. So that number is, here dividing number is 48. So 48 is our right answer, final answer. So that we have checked also the both the answer, and we get final 48 our.
It's also homework.
So remaining question is your homework. I have sent you page and HCF and yes, mostly HCF. Yes, time. That was your homework. I think that is enough for homework, and tomorrow is again our continue class.
Yeah.